Hello and welcome to the latest smoothie recipe. We're going to need a little bit of oat milk, almost full glass, just under. Banana, medium size. An avocado, half an avocado. Lime, squeeze of lime. Some 2 dates, these are fresh Iranian dates. Some fresh ginger chopped up and some turmeric chopped up finely. Chop up these ingredients. Pick the dates, taking out any hard bits. Then we're going to blend it all together in a coffee filter, handy for the handle, and we're going to use a handheld blender. Let's put all those ingredients in the blender and then add the milk. And then with the handheld blender, it'll probably take just under a minute. We're going to squeeze in a bit of lime, not too much, just a little bit, and then we're going to blend it all together. Takes around a minute if you want to blend it all nice and smoothly. Blend it all up so it makes a delicious creamy smoothie. And then pour it in your glass. So if you get just over 2/3 of a glass of milk to start with all those ingredients, it will make a complete glass for one. Just double the quantities if you want to make it for a friend. And then sit back and enjoy that delicious combination of flavors. It also gives you some power, some energy for the day. It's a good way to start the day. I'm completely vegan, using oat milk as that creamy milk. Enjoy. Have a wonderful day.